Hello friends, welcome to a world of creamy, dreamy fun. Today, we're making delicious milkshakes at home. No fancy machines or special skills needed. We'll explore 3 classic flavors: chocolate, strawberry, and vanilla. Making milkshakes is like a little bit of magic, just ice cream, milk, and a blender. It's the perfect treat for any day, whether you're sharing or enjoying solo. This guide will walk you through every step, so you'll feel like a milkshake master. First, we'll list the ingredients for each flavor, then show you how to blend them to perfection. We'll also share tips to make your shakes extra creamy and delicious. Are you ready? Let's get our aprons on and start our milkshake adventure. The main tool you'll need is a blender, but a strong jar and some muscle can work too. The most important ingredient is having fun. Making food should always be a happy experience. Let's make some memories and some milkshakes. Gather your ingredients and clear some space on your counter. We're about to turn simple ingredients into something amazing. Ready? Let's dive in. Our milkshake kitchen awaits. First up, the king of milkshakes, chocolate. This rich, creamy shake is a favorite for a reason. For one big chocolate milkshake, you'll need 3 generous scoops of chocolate ice cream, 1 cup of cold whole milk, and 2 tablespoons of chocolate syrup. Place your blender on a flat surface and add the ice cream. Pour in the milk, then drizzle in the chocolate syrup. That's it. Just 3 ingredients for a classic treat. Secure the lid tightly to avoid any mess. Now, everything's ready to blend into a chocolate dream. Making this at home means you can adjust the chocolate flavor to your liking. Want it extra chocolatey? Add more syrup. This shake is perfect for movie nights or anytime you crave something sweet. The best part? You'll be making this again and again. Let's get ready to blend. Remember, a secure lid keeps your kitchen clean. Double check before you start. All set? Let's move on to the blending magic. Your chocolate masterpiece is just moments away. Time to blend. Start your blender on low to break up the ice cream. After a few seconds, switch to high for a smooth, creamy shake. Blend for about 30-45 seconds until the mixture is one even color. If it's too thick, add a splash more milk and blend again. For an extra creamy shake, use very cold, hard ice cream and chilled milk. These little tricks make your shake taste just like a diner classic. Once blended, turn off the blender and carefully remove the lid. Pour your thick chocolatey shake into a tall glass. It should be smooth, rich, and ready to enjoy. You've just made a perfect chocolate milkshake at home. The aroma will fill your kitchen. Enjoy that first sip. Now, let's move on to our next flavor adventure. Chocolate lovers, rejoice. Your shake is ready. Clean your blender and let's get fruity. Strawberry is up next. Next, let's make a sweet strawberry surprise shake. Bright, fruity, and refreshing. For one large shake, you'll need 3 scoops of vanilla ice cream, 1 cup of fresh or frozen strawberries, and half a cup of cold milk. If using fresh strawberries, wash and hold them. Frozen ones can go straight in. Add the ice cream to your blender, then the strawberries, then the milk. The strawberries give this shake its beautiful pink color and summery flavor. Less milk keeps it thick, but you can add more if you like it thinner. Secure the lid and get ready to blend. This shake is a great way to enjoy fruit in a fun, tasty way. The combination of vanilla ice cream and strawberries is a classic. Ready to blend? Let's make some strawberry magic. Remember, you can always adjust the sweetness later. All ingredients in, let's go. Your strawberry shake is about to come to life. Time for the blender to work its magic. Start blending on low to break up the strawberries, then switch to high for a smooth, creamy shake. Blend for 30-45 seconds until it's a lovely, soft pink. If you like bits of fruit, blend less. For a smooth shake, blend longer. Taste your shake. If it's not sweet enough, add a teaspoon of sugar or honey and blend again. A drop of vanilla extract can add extra depth to the flavor. Once blended, pour your strawberry shake into a tall glass. The color and aroma are irresistible. You've just made a fresh, fruity milkshake from scratch. Enjoy the taste of summer in every sip. Strawberry shakes are always a hit, refreshing and delicious. Clean your blender for the final flavor. Next up, the simple, elegant vanilla shake. Let's finish our milkshake trio strong. Get ready for a classic. Last but not least, the vanilla shake. Simple, elegant and timeless. For one shake, you'll need 3 big scoops of high-quality vanilla bean ice cream, 1 cup of cold whole milk and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Add the ice cream to your blender, pour in the milk and add the vanilla extract. The real vanilla seeds make all the difference in flavor. Secure the lid and get ready to blend. This shake is all about quality ingredients and pure flavor. Blend on low, then high, until smooth and creamy. The result should be a pure, white, velvety shake. Vanilla is the perfect base for any toppings or mix-ins. Pour your shake into a tall glass and admire your work. Sometimes simple is best. You've now mastered all 3 classic milkshakes. Ready for the finishing touches? Let's decorate and enjoy our creations. The milkshake party is almost complete. Now comes the best part. Decorating and enjoying your milkshakes. Top each shake with a swirl of whipped cream for a festive touch. For chocolate, add a drizzle of syrup, chocolate shavings, or a cherry. For strawberry, garnish with a fresh berry or colorful sprinkles. For vanilla, a cherry on top is classic. Add a straw and a long spoon to each glass. Share your creations with family or friends, or savor them all yourself. Try each flavor and see which is your favorite. Making milkshakes at home is fun for any occasion. You've created delicious treats with simple ingredients and a little creativity. Enjoy every creamy, cold, and sweet sip. You're now a true milkshake master. Celebrate your success and the memories you've made. Thanks for joining our milkshake kitchen adventure. Until next time, keep blending and keep smiling. Cheers to your homemade milkshake masterpiece.
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.